Yeah, we're cooking in the van tonight, and we are in Laredo, Texas. Funny story, well, not funny story, but finally ran into a guy I used to talk to on Zello, Terry, at the I'm here at the TA down in Laredo. We're gonna cook ourselves some steak, got some veggies, and there's one of these low carb Mission carb balance. It's only 4 net carbs tortilla. So thank you, Lish, for recommending those. Those are very delicious. So thank you for recommending the low carb tortillas. Anybody that's on keto or diabetes, and you're in the States, pick those up. They're really good. They actually taste just like regular tortillas. So it's pretty cool. Well, word to the wise: don't cook and do YouTube videos. I kind of messed up my steak a little bit, but I overcooked it a little bit. But it tastes good, just not as pink as I like it. After a long day of driving here, 2 hours of sleep the first night, because I couldn't sleep when I was supposed to. I got woken up at a truck stop in Canada by somebody blaring their music, which sucked. And then the second night, last night, it was about 5 hours or something like that, which is okay. So it wasn't bad. Could be worse. Got loaded, or unloaded, I mean. Got to my delivery today, and they're fairly speedy. That's what she looks like. It's alright. Hey, good morning, guys. So, show you what I'm having. I'm having coffee. Yep, that's like a little tea bag, but it's a Folgers coffee single classic roast. Found out about these things from a guy I watch, does truck camping and stuff like that. Guy's name is Keith G. Last name spelled G as in go and E-E, Ernie, G-E-E, Keith G. So thank you, Keith, for showing everybody about these. Pretty cool. First time I'm going to try them and see how it goes. Yes, I'm boiling water in a pot. That's how I make coffee. And then we're going to have some eggs, some turkey sausage. They're fully cooked. I don't mind turkey sausage. These are pretty good. Cheese, and I think I'm going to mix it all up and make a wrap. So we'll see. We're here in Laredo, Texas right now. And a couple people that were here last night are gone. So yeah, man. Van life as an expediter.
Hey, what's going on, partner?
Hey, what's up?
Must be Duncan.
That's me. How you doing, man?
Oh, I'm hanging in there. Just checked out the motel, and I think I really...
Alright guys, so I met up with the sheriff of Laredo, and we're going to go down the border between Laredo, Texas and Mexico, and we're going to combat all these illegal aliens coming over to our country our country. I am a Bop Bop Americano now. I have gave myself citizenship. I'm Ameridunka. So we're going down. We're going to stop these, freedom seekers. They're stealing all of our freedom, my freedom, your freedoms. We're going to stop it with the sheriff of Laredo. You guys thought I was kidding. The mayor's in that border patrol, the sheriff's in that border patrol SUV. He's gonna pull over there. I'm gonna go left, and we're gonna go freedom fighter hunting. Look at that. They're right over there. They're right there. Right there, that little truck. Those guys are gonna go swimming. We're gonna combat this. Oh wow! So this is Mexico.
Yep, halfway across the border, halfway the river is Mexico.
Wow. Wow, well, basically this is like closer than what Detroit, Michigan and Windsor is.
Yeah.
This is real, like, shit, I don't want to fall in. See, look at that. They're planning. They're about to dive in. We're going to stop them. Yeah. Yeah, he's going to get his badge is masked as a phone. That is that is the sheriff of Laredo right there. He's in plain clothes today. So Larry was just telling me that that building right there used to be a hotel. I guess it's out of business. This thing right here, I guess, has a camera to stop those guys over there from swimming and stealing our freedoms or whatever. And here is an outlet mall. This is right on the border of U.S. and Mexico down in Laredo, Texas. So it's kind of pretty cool. Look at that. That's pretty neat. That apparently takes videos or pictures of people running over the border. That's pretty cool. Never thought I'd ever see that. That's neat. vehicles crossing. He's gonna, bam, pull out his badge. And there's the sheriff's badge. There we go. There is Mexico. There's a bridge. Walk across that bridge. Bam, you're in Mexico. Pretty cool. I guess this is for COVID testing. I'm glad I'm 6 feet away. Yep.
On the highway, I'll just it's a stone district. I'll just pull off a few minutes to see what's down there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can buy a lot of stuff over there that is prescription over here, but it's not over there.
Yeah, but you got to clear from the engine and all that stuff.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess you get.
Out of the US.
Yeah. I think too many bugs will be out by then. Alright, so now we're gonna go to Walmart and get some food for dinner, and then we're gonna have a cookout at the TA truck stop in Laredo, Texas. So yeah, so thanks to Larry for showing me around downtown Laredo. Really cool, nice little area. Definitely some cool places to go visit. And I'm just having a blast down here. Nice warm weather. Went back home, it's freezing cold. It's in the 40s and 30s. So yeah, really enjoying myself. So stay tuned, more to come. We had a camp little cookout at the TA parking lot with Larry and James, and I think the other guy's name was Scott. So I didn't film anything. I was busy cooking and all that stuff. So now it's, I don't know, 11 o'clock at night. I'm waiting for just remembered I didn't take my little lighter out for my butane stove. But I'm waiting for a trip tomorrow. Hopefully I get one. Got down here Saturday, so Saturday night, today's Sunday night. Tomorrow's Monday. Allegedly there's a holiday in Mexico, so there's no freight coming over the border. We'll see. Hopefully I get one tomorrow. If not, excuse me. If not, Tuesday morning would be great. And yeah, so alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.